እንደምን አላችሁ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ12ኛ ክፍል የባዮሎጂ ትምህርት ሞዴል ኤግዛምን እንሰራለን። እነዚህ ሞዴል ኤግዛም ጥያቄዎች ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ለምትፈተኑ ተማሪዎች የሚያግዙ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው። በቀላሉና በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ ለፈተና እንድትዘጋጁ ያግዟቸዋል። ሞዴል ኤግዛም ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎች ጥያቄዎችንም ከ9ኛ እስከ 12ኛ ክፍል የተለያዩ የትምህርት አይነቶችን እንደ ኬሚስትሪ እና ፊዚክስን ጨምሮ እንግሊዝኛ ጥያቄዎችን እያሰራ እንገኛለን። ሞዴል ኤግዛም የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይህ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛምን የሚመስሉ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ጥያቄዎችን ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። እዚህ ጋር የምናሰራቸው ጥያቄዎችም ከዚህ መጽሐፍ ላይ እያወጣን ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ቶፒኩ ጠቃሚ ሆኖና አሪፍ ነው ብላችሁ ካሰባችሁ ሼር እና ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ እንላለን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ቶፒኩ እንለፍ። 26 which one of the following is not a part of balanced diet? Proteins, lipids, cellulose, carbohydrates. C cellulose ነው። This is not the part of balanced diet. Okay, the cellulose is dietary fiber ነው, not a nutrient. nutrient አይደለም ማለት ነው። ኒውትረንት ወይም ደግሞ ባላንስድ ዳይት ኢንክሉድስ ዘ ፕሮቲን፣ ካርቦሃይድሬትስ፣ ፋትስ፣ ቫይታሚንስ፣ ሚነራልስ እነዚህ ሁሉ ባላንስድ ዳይት ይባላሉ ማለት ነው። ነምበር 27 which one of the following orders of the digestive system correctly illustrates the process from beginning to end? ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, ingestion, assimilation, ingestion, absorption, ingestion, digestion, ingestion, assimilation, ingestion, absorption, digestion. A ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation እና ingestion የሚሉ this is from the beginning to the end የዳይጀስቲቭ ሲስተምን ኦርደር የሚያሳዩ ናቸው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሶ ፉድ ኢንቴክ ይሆናል ማለት ነው አይደለ? ይሄ ኢንጀንሽን ሲባል ፉድ ኢንቴክ ዜን ብሬክ ዳውን ይሆናል። ከዛ ኒውትረንት አብዞርፕሽን ይሆናል ቀጥሎ ያለው ማለት ነው። ኒውትረንት አብዞርፕሽን ዜን ኒውትረንት ዩዝ የአሲሚሌሽን ዜን ሪሙቫል ኦፍ ዌስት ይሆናል ይሄ ኢንጀክሽን የሚለው ማለት ነው። 28 in a grade 11 laboratory class, the teacher give students a sample of food and asks them to investigate the presence of glucose. Which test and result will confirm its presence? A Benedict's test and orange color, B Biuret's test and purple color, C emulsion test and milky white color, D iodine test and blue black color. A Benedict's test and orange color. Okay, the Benedict test detects reducing sugars like glucose አይደለ? እዚህ ጋር እንደተቀመጠው when heated a positive result turns orange or red ማለት ነው። 29 which of the following factors affect enzyme activity without denaturing the enzyme molecule? A low pH, high temperature, low temperature, high pH. C low temperature. Okay, low temperature ነው ይሄ። low temperature slows enzyme activities by reducing molecular movement but does not denature the enzyme ማለት ነው። ኢንዛይምን ዲኔቸር ሊያደርግ አይችልም but it reduces the molecular movements ማለት ነው። 30 the shapes of different teeth in humans are ideally suited to their functions. Which type of teeth is not correctly matched with their function? Premolar chewing food, canines chewing food, molars crushing food, incisors biting food. B canines chewing food. This is not correct. Okay, canines are adapted for tearing foods, not chewing ማለት ነው። tearing ለመሰባበር ወይም ደግሞ ለመንጨት የሚያገለግል ማለት ነው። ካኒንስ ፕሪሞላርስ ኤንድ ሞላርስ አር ዩዝድ ፎር ቾዊንግ ማለት ነው። ኤንድ ክራሽንግ ኢንሲዘርስ የሚባሉት ደግሞ ባይቲንግ ፉድ ማለት ነው። ሰርቲ ኢን ቤኔዲክትስ ቴስት ፎር ሱክረስ ዋይ ዳዝ ዘ ቴስት ሳምፕል ፈርስት ቦይል ዊዝ ሃይድሮክሎሪክ አሲድ? A. To reduce Benedict's solution. B. Retest mixtures with Benedict's solution. C. To neutralize the solution. D. To hydrolyze non-reducing sugar. D. To hydrolyze non-reducing sugar. Okay. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. So boiling with hydrochloric acid hydrolyzes it into glucose and fructose. 32. Which deficient nutrients are correctly paired with their deficiency diseases? Protein, scurvy, iron, marasmus, carbohydrates, beriberi. D. Vitamin A, night blindness. ዲ ቫይታሚን ኤ ናይት ብላይንድነስ። ኦኬ ሶ የዴፊሽንሲ ዲዚዝ የሚባለው የቫይታሚን ኤ ነው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሌሎቹ ጋር ያሉት ማለት ነው። ፕሮቲን ኳሻኮር የሚባል ነው። ስከርቪ አይደለም እዚህ ጋር ያለው ማለት ነው። አይረን ዴፊሽንሲ ደግሞ ማራስመስ ሳይሆን አኒሚያ ነው የሚባለው ፍሮም አይረን የሚመጣ እንትን ማለት ነው። ቫይታሚን ቢ1 ዴፊሽንሲ ቤሪቤሪ ይባላል ማለት ነው። ኖት ካርቦሃይድሬትስ። ኦኬ 33 when you breathe out during gas exchange all of the following happens to the breathing movement except A. The volume of the thorax diseases. B. Pressure inside chest cavity diseases. C. Diaphragm moves upward. D. Pressure inside chest cavity increases. B. Pressure inside chest cavity disease. Okay, this is the during exhalation thorax volume decreases, pressure increases, and diaphragm moves upward. 34. The muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity is known as nasal cavity, trachea, diaphragm, epiglottis. C. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle separating thoracic and abdominal cavities and aids in the breathing. 35. Which of the following is a correct pathway of breathing from the outer to the inner parts? A. Nasal cavity, trachea, bronchus, bronchoalveolus, alveolus. B. Alveolus, bronchus, bronchoalveolus, trachea, nasal cavity. C. Alveolus, bronchoalveolus, bronchus, trachea, nasal cavity. D. Nasal cavity, alveolus, bronchus, trachea, bronchoalveolus. A. Nasal cavity, trachea, bronchus, bronchoalveolus, and alveolus. This is the air enters through nasal cavity, then trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles and alveoli where gas exchange occurs ማለት ነው። 36 while oxygen is carried by the red blood cells, most digested food and wastes are carried by the A plasma, white blood cells, platelets, red blood cells. A plasma. Plasma carries nutrients, hormones, and wastes. Red blood cells carry oxygen. Platelets aid in clotting, while white blood cells fight infections. 37 the absolute maximum amount of air you can take into and breathe out of your lung is called tidal volume, vital capacity, residual volume, breathing hygiene. B vital cavity, vital capacity. Okay, vital capacity means maximum air that can be inhaled or exhaled. ኢንሄልድ ፕላስ ኤክስሄልድ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ታይዳል ቮሊዩም የሚባለው ደግሞ ምንድን ነው? ኖርማል ብሬዝ ሬዚዲዋል ቮሊዩም ከኤር ሪሜኒንግ ኢን ላንግስ ጋር እኩል ሲሆን ማለት ነው። 38 which of the following products are formed during anaerobic respiration of one glucose molecule in animal cells? A ethanol NAD to ATP, lactic acid carbon dioxide to ATP, C alcohol ADP to ATP, C lactic acid oxygen carbon dioxide. B lactic acid carbon dioxide እና to ATP ነው። this is the in animal anaerobic respiration converts glucose into lactic acid, sometimes release small carbon dioxide ማለት ነው and generates to ATP. ኢታኖል የሚባለው ግን it's formed from the yeast ማለት። 39 which type of blood vessel carried deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? Systemic circulation, pulmonary vein, pulmonary circulation, pulmonary artery. D pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood back to the heart. 40 the right side chamber valve which directs the flow of blood by opening and closing is called A bicuspid valve, B tricuspid valve, C mitral valve, D vein cava. B tricuspid valve. Okay, the tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and right ventricles. It's preventing backflow of blood ማለት ነው። 41 what defines the common characteristics shared by all animals? A all animals are autotrophic and live in water. B all animals are unicellular and don't move. C all animals are multicellular, heterotrophic and have specialized tissues. D all animals can photosynthesize and reproduce asexually. C all animals are multicellular, heterotrophic and have specialized tissues. So this is the animals common behavior, okay, ወይም common characteristics ሶ አኒማልስ አር መልቲሴሉላር ኮንሱም ኦርጋኒክ ማቴሪያልስ ወይም ሄተሮትሮፊክ ናቸው and have different tissues for specialized functions. 42 how do invertebrates differ from vertebrates in terms of body structure? A. Invertebrates have a more complex nervous system. B. Invertebrates lack a true skeleton, while vertebrates have an internal skeleton. C. Invertebrates are larger than vertebrates. D. Vertebrates lack any form of symmetry. B. Invertebrates lack a true skeleton, while vertebrates have an internal skeleton. Okay. So vertebrates have a backbone and internal skeleton, and invertebrates lack this structure and may have exoskeleton ወይም ደግሞ ሃይድሮስታቲክ ስኬሌተን ነው የኢንቨርተብሬትስ ማለት ነው። 43 what is the key difference in reproduction between invertebrates and vertebrates? A. Invertebrates reproduce only asexually, while vertebrates reproduce asexually. B. Vertebrates exclusively reproduce through external fertilization. C. Invertebrates don't undergo any form of metamorphosis. D. Invertebrates often have simpler reproductive systems and may reproduce through budding or fragmentation. D. Invertebrates often have simple reproductive systems and may reproduce through budding or fragmentation. Okay, so many invertebrates can reproduce asexually through a process like budding or fragmentation, whereas vertebrates primarily reproduce sexually with more complex reproductive systems. 44 what describe complete metamorphosis in insects? A. A gradual change from larva to adult with no distinct stages. B. An asexual reproduction process. C. A life cycle involving distinct egg, larval, pupal, and adult stages. D. A life cycle that include only egg and adult stages. C. A life cycle involving distinct egg, larvae, pupal, and adult stages. Okay, this is the complete metamorphosis ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ወይም ደግሞ ሆሞ ሜታቦሊዝም ይባላል። ኢንክሉዲንግ ፎር ዲስቲንክት ስቴጅስ ፎር ናቸው እነዚህ አራቱ እዚህ ጋር የተጠቀሱት። each stage is morphologically and functionally different ናቸው። unlike gradual metamorphosis while lacks pupal stages. Okay. 45 how do rats and crocodiles differ in their reproductive strategies? A. Rats reproduce only asexually, while crocodiles reproduce sexually. B. Rats give a live birth, while crocodiles lay eggs. C. Both species lay eggs in water. D. Rats are oviparous, while crocodiles are viviparous. B. Rats give live births while crocodiles lay eggs. Okay, so rats viviparous, giving live births after internal fertilization, while crocodiles are oviparous, laying eggs that develop externally. 46 what is the economic importance of insects in agriculture? A. They primarily act as a pest that destroy crops. B. They have no significant role in agriculture. C. They contribute to pollination and pest control, enhancing crop yields. D. They only serve as a food source for larger animals. C. They contribute to pollination and pest control, enhancing crop yields. Okay. So insects like bees and ladybugs play key role in pollination and controlling pest populations, which directly supports crop production and agriculture. 47. How do homoeuthermic animals regulate their body temperature? A. They rely on external environmental conditions. B. They maintain a constant internal body temperature through metabolic process. C. They always seek shade to cool down and regulate their body temperature. D. They don't regulate their body temperature. B. They maintain a constant internal body temperature through metabolic process. Okay. So ሆሞተርምስ ወይም ደግሞ ዋርም ብለድድ አኒማልስ የሚባሉት ማለት ነው ዩዝ ሜታቦሊክ ፕሮሰስ ቱ ኪፕ ዜር ቦዲ ቴምፕሬቸር ሬላቲቭሊ ኮንስታንት regardless of external conditions. 48. What is the thermoregulation in peculiar-thermic animals? A. The ability to maintain constant body temperature. B. It has no significance for these animals. C. It occurs only in animals. D. The process of adjusting body temperature according to the environment. D. The process of adjusting body temperature according to the environment. Okay. The peculiar-thermic ወይም ደግሞ cold blooded animals የሚባሉት cannot internally maintain constant temperature. So they regulate their body heat behaviorally or physiologically according to the environment. 49. Proteins are essential macronutrients that play a crucial role in the human body primarily because they A. serve as a primary energy source for cellular functions. B. are vital for growth, repair for tissues, and production of enzymes and hormones. C. act as a strong storage for energy. D. regulate water balance in the body. B. are vital for growth, repair for tissues, and the production of enzymes and hormones. 50. Healthy sources of lipids include A. processed snack food and sugary desserts. B. soft drinks and candies. C. white bread, pasta. D. olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish. D. olive oil, avocado, nuts, and fatty fish. This is the healthy source of the lipids ማለት ነው። Okay. Unsaturated fats from the olive oil, nuts, avocados, and fatty fish are healthy and essential for cellular functions ሆርሞን ፕሮዳክሽን ኤንድ ሄርት ሄልዝ ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ሁሉ አስፈላጊ ናቸው እና ሄልዚ ሶርስ ነው የሚባሉት እነዚህ። ኦኬ ፓርት 2 ጨርሰናል። ፓርት 3 እና 4 እንቀጥላለን። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች የምንሰራቸው ያው ካዘጋጀነው ሞዴል ኤግዛም የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይሄ መጽሐፍ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ነው። በርካታ ሞዴሎችን እዚህ ጋር ማቅረብ የምንችላቸው ሌሎች በርካታ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ነው። ይሄ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ለምትፈተኑ ተማሪዎች በደንብ በአጭር ጊዜ እና በቀላሉ እንድትዘጋጁ ያግዛችኋል ብለን ተስፋ እናደርጋለን። ኬሚስትሪ፣ ባዮሎጂ፣ እንግሊዝኛ እና ፊዚክስ የትምህርት አይነቶችን ነው በመጽሐፍ መልክ ያዘጋጀ ነው። እነዚህ መጽሐፎች በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰቡን አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ቶፒኩ አሪፍ ነው ብላችሁ ካሰባችሁ ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር አድርጉ፣ ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ እንላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።